Howdy partners, welcome to today's video. Today's video is POV, you angered a squatted truck owner. Before we get into this, if you're sensitive to the N-word or other fucking bad language, shit, I just said bad language, click off now. This kid used a shitload of it. Let's begin. Alright, so it all started. Alright, now it's recording. Jesus fuck. Alright, it all started. Someone was making a joke in his story. As you can see here, I believe this is a question, and I was basically just giving him some shit because he's acting like super aggressive. And then this turned into a fucking big ass shit show. Now here I am, I'm kind of calling its bluff. If you say something along the lines of keep talking shit, that generally means you're going to do something about it. This kid's a fucking bitch. He's not going to do anything. So here I am, as you can see, I'm kind of, stirring the pot a little bit, I will admit. But these kids got to be put in their place. Alright, so good old Zonk Johnson has fired the first shot. Return fire. Wasn't even about your dumbass. So then, of course, I tell him, behave or I'll stick that piece of shit truck up your ass. It's squatted, in case you can't tell from his fucking profile picture right here. Yes, I have cricket. I'm a broke bitch. I'm aware of this. So that last meme, I had that one fucking in the cannon, ready to go as soon as he started texting back. So as you can see here, incessant use of bad language because he's narrow-minded and can't use regular words to get his point across. You'll notice I'm not overly fucking hostile until he starts really getting into it, but you'll have that on these bigger jobs, I'm told. This is the only part where I even get like genuinely upset, because like, dude, who the fuck says this, dude? Like, really? Like, are you kidding me? And after this is done, I'll get like a whole shitload of stuff. It's like actively progressing. So I'll do like a fucking, like a go over of everything once this video's over. This is just like completely off the fly, but I thought this was like the best fucking comeback for that ever. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know.